tried to brew my own at home. It felt so quiet, I don't know. I need to be amid the morning rush, where the leather chairs are soft and plush, and I'll drink a grande cappuccino with a pumpkin skin, and charge my phone, and listen to the sounds of Starbucks. Then I heard an awful scream. They had totes run out of cream. A new employees filled the coffee grounds, and the Wi-Fi went completely down. And a lady in yoga pants threw her latte at the wall. The cops were called. Then came the sounds of sirens, and in the drive-thru lane I saw 1,000 hipsters, maybe more. People paying without drinking, people without freaking, people going off 'cause they couldn't get a caramel frap. Holy crap. A riot started at Starbucks while a Bible study parade. Baristas formed a barricade. The manager cried out a warning to the angry mob that was forming, and he said, I checked Google Maps, there's another one across the street. So we stampede. We turn to the sound